Are you ready to make your dreams come true? Learn how to launch an AI-powered business and make your mark in this rapidly changing industry. Are you ready to make your dreams come true by becoming a successful freelancer in the AI space? What do you need to know to make this a reality? In this video, we'll dive deep and explore the necessary knowledge needed to launch an AI-powered business, including identifying skills and talents, networking strategies, and the legal implications of working with AI technology. So if you want to be at the forefront of this rapidly changing industry market and make your mark, stick around and let's get started. Are you ready to take your AI business to the next level? Well, subscribe to 33 Cubed and watch this video to get insights and strategies you need to succeed. If you want to be a successful freelancer in the AI space, it's important to assess what skills or talents you have. Having experience working with AI platforms can be helpful with starting out. Additionally, having knowledge on programming languages like C, C++, or Python can give you the ability to manipulate data for better machine learning performance. Other valuable skills include being able to identify customer problems and design solutions tailored to their needs using your understanding of natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. Networking is also essential since clients tend to look at experience level before making decisions about who will do their project work. Connect yourself digitally by attending events that talk about upcoming trends like machine learning world conferences. Keep up to date with technologies used within the sector that give potential customers more confidence when considering contract opportunities. Getting advice from experienced professionals already immersed in AI development and gaining hands-on commercial coding tasks related to industry disciplines helps you build credibility faster than many other career paths. However, it's important to know which programs make the suitable freelance entry. How can those aiming to succeed gauge which software tools are best suited to becoming proficient freelancers? All this research can seem overwhelming at first, but with determination, you can figure out which software suites will be best suited for your unique needs and career goals. What challenges do new freelancers need to overcome if they want to get more deeply involved in artificial intelligence-based firms? When it comes to starting an AI-powered business, the first step is understanding how different it is from other freelancing jobs. Unlike writing or web development projects, AI businesses require skills in natural language processing or NLP, machine learning, and computer vision. Knowing which techniques work best in these particular industries can give you an edge over competitors if you already fine-tune these skills. It's also important to consider the client's budget when deciding what type of data analysis capabilities they need. This helps you decide whether you choose the service over another marketplace option. Providing quality customer care is also essential. Try adding voice and video calls and the weekly communication with clients. This makes them feel heard and helps break down any potential barriers that prevent them from signing future contracts with you. Meeting real people behind the digital personas also means more interaction and better understanding of their needs when formulating solutions. Automation can sometimes fail due to pre-configured limits, so live conversations are also the best way to build trust and get the most out of the partnership. Strategic planners emphasize this approach more and more every year as it can lead to long-term benefits. So before you embark on this journey, ask yourself, is starting an AI-powered business the right move for me? It can be rewarding, albeit challenging, but with perseverance, you can make it to the top. What do strategic planners emphasize more and more every year that can lead to long-term benefits from AI-powered business? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you want to become a successful AI freelancer, you need the right tools and resources. This includes access to training modules that help you improve your skills. It's also important to know about existing platforms in this field that have already proven to be useful when it comes to creating quality business solutions through their APIs or libraries. For example, there are good development kits like TensorFlow from Google or IBM Watson, which provides frameworks with deep learning application models suitable for various industries, from healthcare and medical diagnostics to financial service risk analysis decision-making systems. However, most of these require an experienced developer who has a good understanding of machine learning principles. This is so they can not only build efficient applications, but also maintain them over time without too much downtime due to bugs or system failures. So how do developers stay up to date in this ever-evolving industry so they can remain confident about their final product delivery? Having the right tools and resources is essential if you want to create a successful AI-powered business. Invest in reliable computing hardware, software, and interactive connectivity options, all of which help you optimize your workflow when building custom solutions for customers. When it comes to training and resources, consider leveraging online courses or tutorials tailored towards advertising on best practices with AI development environments, such as TensorFlow by Google or IBM Watson's libraries. This gives you peace of mind that you are up to date on emerging technologies used within your industry sector. To logically automate tasks so employees benefit from gaining better job satisfaction while saving energy costs, what digital services can small businesses employ? When launching an AI project, it's important to understand the legal implications and the do's and don'ts of working in this field. When an AI business incorporates various issues such as privacy, data collection policies, or intellectual property rights together with automated systems like project management platforms backed by artificial intelligence technologies, there are several non-technical considerations that you need to keep in mind, involving lawyers specialized in internet law. The automation of tasks is a critical component for any remote worker aiming at success within the market, so utilizing artificially intelligent tools helps reduce operational time, while assigning customer support references via chatbots keeps providing valuable feedback faster, resulting in client satisfaction ratings that keep improving over time due to investments from both sides. Think of a suitably strong foundational base to handle events and unorthodox requirements that may pose under the discussed terms up front to begin with, and allow to scale the specified targets designed on the basis of mutually accomplished objectives finalized in respective satisfying ways. Companies should also ensure they're taking legal considerations properly when launching AI projects by consulting with lawyers specialized in internet law and understanding the do's and don'ts of working in this field. What measures should companies take to ensure that they are taking legal considerations properly when launching AI projects? When launching a freelancing business powered by AI, it's important to understand the legal implications. Make sure your contracts are clear on payment and usage rights, and the data privacy policies are respected. To properly manage customer relationships when creating solutions with machine learning algorithms, you should familiarize yourself with regulations related to bias and discrimination and always uphold ethical standards. Documentation should be one of your top priorities before accepting any professional request for commercial activity involving artificial intelligence. This is because AI projects have distinctly different components compared to regular tasks. There are established paths created by people who have had past encounters with AI, and this can be a great source of knowledge. With the highest levels of AI achieved so far, ideas are the driving force behind its unlimited potential. It's an amazing, never-ending journey, and today's dreams and ambitions can be achieved with the power of AI. Predictions point to a bright future ahead, and it's magical to see the multitude of surpassed expectations when people realize the power and strength of AI and the capabilities that it provides. If you want to start a successful AI freelancing business, effective networking is essential. Start by researching potential clients, industry professionals, and mentors through social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Reddit forums, and attending events related to the field of artificial intelligence development. Join relevant groups that share your values so you can stay informed on what's happening within the sector while also connecting with like-minded individuals who have done similar projects before. This helps you increase awareness about yourself faster than standalone attempts. To prepare properly for facing any bottlenecks during your journey, make sure to establish fast-growing companies with user-friendly capabilities and form software applications that are serviced through cloud users and wide networks. This ensures shorter response times and modern portals that are accepted commonly. Additionally, be mindful of scalability and good sound practices that are currently in demand. Make sure to address requirements in a timely manner, then ensure that data sources are never missing. Additionally, make sure to provide authentic responses and correct answers to any queries. Growing and scaling an AI-powered business can take some time. To ensure successful growth and scale operations, it's important to identify your target market first and then modify services to meet customer needs when setting expectations in the process. Building a strong brand identity and an online presence through tailored marketing efforts is also necessary to help bring in more qualified leads and increase revenues. You can also simulate budget decisions during follow-up conversations with preferential partners or clients. Regular customers can be acquired through attribution models suitable for subject matters contextualized around long-term based promotion initiatives, focusing on more than just local search engine optimization activities. This includes managing blog posts, social media integration, and technology, which stacks its boundaries between what use cases allow. Permitted extended access due to consumers using connected devices on mobile applications is also growing rapidly, with adapted versions creating large numbers shortly matching existing criteria selected prior experience. If you want to become a successful AI freelancer, it's important that you assess your skills and talents for which tools and resources are best suited for you. You should have knowledge in programming languages like C, C++, and Python, as well as natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. You already have access to networking, attend events, and get advice from experienced professionals immersed in AI development. You should also have a thorough understanding of the legal implications when launching an AI project, and consult with the relevant internet case law specialists. Leverage marketplaces for access to leading-edge programming tools and training opportunities, and build a strong brand identity and online presence through tailored marketing efforts. All of this helps you stay ahead of the competition and make sure that you have the necessary resources to succeed. Are you ready to use AI to make money? Take the next step and learn how to use AI to make money in our next video. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get ahead of the competition and make your dreams come true. Tune in now and start on your journey to financial success.